trying to get extra too.
What about him?
Yeah, she hit behind me.
What's going on?